Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve SD card issues and errors on GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera. The biggest reason behind the SD card errors on this camera are caused by SD card not fulfilling the standards of the camera. Make sure that your SD card supports A2 V30 standard. Usually the ones with 128 gigabytes or more in storage fulfill these requirements automatically, but if you are using a smaller one, for example like this one with 64 gigabytes of storage, if you take a look right here, you'll see that its standards are A1 V10, which are simply not supported by this camera, and there's nothing we can do about it. So if we try to use this SD card within the camera, it will not be able to read it and will give us an error saying that we have to upgrade the SD card. And now if you are using a 128 or more gigabytes SD card and still seeing some kind of errors, you can simply format your SD card by swiping down the control center, go into the first page, selecting manage SD card and formatting it to the readable format. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.